Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the game and enough controllers. Switch Lite cannot detach Joy-Con, so you need extra controllers for motion sports. Once done, charge both the console and controllers until at least half full to prevent mid-session cutoffs. Next, power on the Switch Lite and navigate to System Settings to enable Bluetooth if using a Pro controller. Make sure your user profile is selected. This saves motion calibration. Finally, insert the game or open the digital download and get ready to pair controllers. You now pair and calibrate. Go to Controllers, choose Change Grip/Order, then press the sync button on each Joy-Con or hold SL plus SR on detached Joy-Con. For a Pro controller, press its sync button. Once paired, go to System Settings, Controllers and Sensors, calibrate control sticks, and calibrate motion controls to reduce drift. This matters especially for bowling and tennis. Then open Nintendo Switch Sports, enter the game's controller setup, and run the built-in motion test to confirm accuracy before starting a match or training session. You're ready to play. From the main menu, pick a sport, then choose whether to play in handheld-compatible modes or with paired Joy-Con/Pro controllers. Make sure to select the correct controller layout and adjust sensitivity in the game settings if your swings feel under or over-responsive. If you experience drift, lag, or disconnects, first repair the controllers and ensure firmware is updated, then fully recharge batteries and repeat calibration. Finally, restart the console as a last step. That usually clears lingering connection issues and gets you back to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.